Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on overlay screens, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just come here to show in call overlay for contacts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it, here show in call overlay for contacts disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.